brakes are no place to cut corners. There was a time when brake maintenance was problematic, slow, filthy, tedious, and frustrating. That all changed in 1971 when CRC introduced a game-changing innovation, CRC Brakleen, the world's first aerosol brake parts cleaner. A product that made cleaning brake parts faster and easier than ever before with the press of a button. For decades, the original aerosol brake parts cleaner has been the first choice of millions of pros and DIYers around the world. Engineered to remove brake dust, brake fluid, grease, and you name it from brake parts, its performance is still superior. Innovation continues with CRC's non-chlorinated formula, still fueled by the desire to serve pros and DIYers, students and instructors, all those who are on a mission to ensure that every vehicle under their care is back in service with the safest brakes possible. Safety is everything when it comes to brakes. Your time is important too. We're continuously innovating to provide products that work better and faster to accelerate brake jobs without sacrificing safety. Our latest formulas are the strongest in the non-chlorinated market and empower you to accomplish more by powerfully cleaning brake parts and drying even quicker, without residue, but always with peace of mind. So wherever you are, you can keep going, knowing that you've used the best product available. And if that's not enough, it's also available in our Pro Series line that features a larger can and a power jet spray nozzle that sprays with even more force, blasting away contaminants from your brake system. It's no wonder that CRC Brakleen has been the #1 brake cleaning brand since the beginning. We have taken it upon ourselves to provide superior brake maintenance products because we all rely on safe brakes. So whether you service brakes, use brakes, or simply depend on them to keep you and others safe, CRC helps ensure that brake maintenance gets done right every time.